Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Open Google Maps on your phone or computer and sign into the account you use daily. Tap Saved, then tap the Labeled section to view home and work. On mobile, this usually takes 3 taps from the bottom bar to reach Labeled. On desktop, open Maps. Google, and click the menu, then your places, and then Labeled. This area stores addresses used for commute and suggestions across Google services. Keep the same Google account to ensure changes sync to all devices. Tap Work and then choose Edit to change your work location quickly. Type the street address, paste coordinates, or use voice typing to enter the location. You can also search a place and tap Select on the map to drop a pin. Zoom to the exact building and adjust the pin if needed, then tap Save. The edit replaces the old work label immediately within Maps on that account. Confirm the pin location visually before saving to avoid navigation errors later. Changes sync across your devices automatically when you use the same Google account. That updated work address will feed navigation, commute notifications, and Google Assistant routines. If your phone still shows the old location, force close Maps and reopen to refresh data. You can also sign out and sign back into your Google account to prompt a sync. To remove work, entirely choose Remove Label if you want no stored workplace. Regularly review.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.